Good afternoon. So here today we will discuss about Unit 5 typesetting software LaTeX. So in this research methodology paper, in the earlier units we discussed about the several methodology research, how to do the research and how to prepare the thesis and everything we discussed. In the last unit, Unit 4, we discussed very elaborately about the using of Origin software. So here we will discuss about the another one important software. It's a typesetting software, LaTeX, Tex and LaTeX. So Tex and LaTeX, how it is important and how it is differ from their ordinary typewriting softwares. Then how it is advanced when compared with the others. First we have discussed. Then we will go for the interior about the Tex and LaTeX software. So Tex already we know it's a computer programmable software. Then here it is also nowadays there are a number of publishers are also used this software for the preparations of their content, and it is also recently the research scholars are also used for the preparation of their thesis. Why they have also used here? Because there is a number of facilities, say for example automatic numbering system, automatic session, and automatic page format and everything. It's also easy when compared with others. So we are all very familiar with their docs and doc, and there are typewriting softwares. When compared with this one, it can be the alignment and everything can be easily done with the help of this LaTeX software. Then here, as like as the other softwares, here the file format of the LaTeX software is DVI file. So while typesetting, and if you are saved this file, it can be saved in the format of DVI file, and the DVI file can be printed by using their any other advanced software and dot matrix softwares. So it is easy, and it is easy to prepare for the materials, and it's easy to prepare for the thesis also. So it is this is the general introduction about the Tex and LaTeX software. Then here this is the one format, this is the one example, this is the one example for the LaTeX software. So here we should also type the matter as like as this one. If you look this matter, first we can see a one, it's starting with one command, then it's also ending with another one command. And it's a running matter. If you look into the running matter, you can see some terms or some character and some controls are there. Here you can see some backslash and several the brackets and everything you can also see it. These are also very important while preparing for this one. These commands are also comes under their another one important topic. It's a very beginning and it's very fundamental. Character and control sequences. What is character and control sequences? What is the main usage of this character and control sequences? Here these are all the characters. These characters are used. These characters are used for the preparation of their matter or for the preparation of their thesis. These letters are normally it's rarely used in their running matter. So backslash and everything. Here these rarely used materials are have several commands while preparing for their DVI file or while preparing for their thesis, or these can be included. So why it can be included? Before that, suppose if you want to use this matter, you can also use it, because in the mathematical representation the brackets are very important. So we must also use it. Here the brackets are also used for their several commands, not only for their commands. If you want to use these commands or if you want to display these in their output, we must also use for their another one command. So everything we can also discuss. So here these backslash and everything have a unique character and control. If you use these characters, then it can be also, it should not be displayed on their output, or you could not get it on their printout, but instead of this you can get it as a commands. So these are all used for their command purposes in their DVI file. So what are the commands? So here it's a control sequences. The first one is the backslash. The backslash, not only backslash, if you are put a backslash, you must use there for several letters. What are the letters? Here the first one is a delta. Delta and these three commands. Not only these three, these are all the examples. While discussing about the continuously, we can also discuss what are the commands should be used. This delta is used for their representation of their mathematical delta symbol. If you want to use the mathematical symbol delta on the output, you must put a command backslash and you should type the matter delta. Then when it is in execute, and if you go for the further output printout, on the display, on the output printout, you can get a delta symbol. Delta symbol already you know. You see delta symbol. Then here it's for their emphasize. This next command EMPH is for their emphasizing. Emphasizing means normally they have used for their italics. If you want to highlight the particular letter in their running document, you can use it for this command. This command is also used for their emphasizing the particular letter on the running command. The next one is the \2. So this symbol is used for their putting a right arrow symbol, right arrow. So here or otherwise we can also use it as a symbol right arrow. You can write it \2, or you can also put a command \right arrow. Right arrow means on the display end you can get a right arrow symbol. Okay. So here backslash followed by the single character. Backslash with the single characters. So these are all the control sequences. Then suppose if you are use the single character braces, brackets or comma or the double quotation and the symbol, dollar symbol. If you are use this one, what about the particular display? So as like as this one, these will also have a several behavior. Several behavior means several function. So here these are all the delta, these are all the emphasizing, this is the right arrow. As like as this one, what is the meaning of this one? So the braces, the open bracket and closed bracket, both are all should be used for their grouping of a materials or grouping of a letters. Then now it may be confused. While coming to their discussion about their particular example, you can easily understand. So here it's a character, next character, it's a dollar symbol. This symbol is used for their embedding mathematical expression. If you want to include the mathematical expression on the particular content, you must start with this character. Not only this character, first you put backslash, then you should put this letter or this character, then after that you can start with the expressions. So on the output you can get the mathematical expressions. The next one is these two symbols. These two symbols are used for their superscript and subscript. So if you want to put x square, so already you are very familiar with these characters in your calculators. Calculator you have also used. If you want to put a higher powers, you can use it this one. So as like as this one, you must put this character to get a superscript and subscript. Subscript you must use their underscore. The next character, it's a percentage character. This character is used for the introduce commands into the input file. If you want to put a commands, if you want to put a command, then you must introduce the percentage symbol. Then next character asterisk. So this is specify arguments and definitions of control sequences. So here this is the use. Then and symbol. And symbol is used for typesetting tables in order to separate entries in different columns. So we could not put any borders or number of columns. If you want to separate the columns, if you want to separate the data which are individual columns, you must use the character and symbol. Okay. So the first letter should be in their first column, then you put a backslash and enter the and symbol, then which content should be included in their column, then you should write it. Then as like as the continuously. Okay. So these are all there. So don't forget. So this is the control sequences. So it's a backslash with the letters and backslash with the characters. So these are all the important thing. So here now we just once again we have recollected from the last example. This is the example. So if you are compared to this one, it's a running command. In this running command, here they can also use the backslash and emphasize EMPH and put a letter and open the bracket and the word analysis. So in the running letters, we want to highlight the word analysis. Highlight means we must have a, or we must put it in the italics. So for that we have used this command. Then in the output here, if you are looking in this one, here analysis. If you are compared with this one, if you are zoom it can be easily observed. Or if you are looking to very carefully, the foundation of the rigorous study of analysis. Analysis is also in their italics manner. Okay, can you see? Can you see? Then if you are come to the next one, so these are also their emphasize and they have also displayed on their which one in the case of italics format. Then if you are come to their here, already we discussed in this one, you must put a word, the dollar symbol for the entry of mathematical representations. So here the D is also in there as like as a mathematical representation format. As like as this one, if you want to put a word or if you want to include the mathematical representation, you must introduce the term the delta symbol. So here these are all the terms. Here the term \2 on the here you can see it. \2, it's for the representation of right arrow. Okay, right arrow. Then what are the others? Then here if you look into this one, you have some backslash and put it as a epsilon. Then epsilon, last one I explained delta and everything. If you look into here, you have a epsilon. The output you will get a epsilon. The epsilon is not typed on the output, but the symbol is also executed when it is in come to their printout stage. Then another one here they have also used their brackets and everything. Okay, here. Then you may have a doubt, sir, what is the in our discussions we didn't discuss about their open bracket and closed bracket, square bracket. This is used for their center. Okay, then it comes to their here. The next one, the then is also put it on their left entry. It's comes to there. Then here the epsilon matter is also there. Then here it's a mathematical representations. Why we have also included. If you didn't put it as the symbol, the dollar symbol, ordinary D is also displayed. Ordinary D means the running matter you could not be identified. Here you have the F. The F is also, if you are come with another F like this one, it's a function. We have a F. Here we have a F. Both the F's are different. You see, you may have a sir. Why we must put it as a dollar symbol? Then how it is also executed? There is a small changes. So the font should be also changes. So this is the symbol example for the typing content of the LaTeX software, and this is the output of the LaTeX software. So here it's a basic one. The next one, what are the methods or how we have produced the symbol document using LaTeX. Symbol documents means it just only their running matter. Then what are the terms or should be there? Okay. Then what are the essential while preparing for their DVI file? Then in the example, I have also given one instructions. The first we have put it as a one simple command and ending with another one command. These two are very important. So the first line input file should be normally consist of appropriate document class. So in this document class we must include what about your size and everything we must also include. So A4 size paper and font size 12 and which normally the latex is also consider the font as a Times New Roman. Then if you want to change the font you must also use it, put a command like this one. Okay. If you want to use any other font on the running, you must also include it. A4 paper, 12 point. If you want to change the font size 10 point, you must change the point 10. Or if you want to increase it, you can increase 14 or everything you can. If you change this one, or if you want to prepare for the A3 or A5, you can change it. Okay. In our ordinary paper, we are using the here A4 paper. Or if you want to prepare for the A3, you can change it. Then font size. And also we can change in the entire format what you wish to execute or what you wish to include. Everything we can also include it. Then after finish this command, you should put a next command, begin document. Begin document. So after that, the main body of the subject should be continuously put it this one. Then at the end of this one, we must put it as the backslash and end document command. So this is the stepwise procedure while preparing for the producing symbol document using latex commands. So while in the main content, you must include it as the control and everything. If you want to emphasize, you must use the command. If you want to produce the mathematical expressions, you must introduce the control and character commands. What are the commands, you must use it. Then periodically we will also discuss one by one. What are the commands are there, then which command we will use, everything we will discuss one by one. So here this is the one symbol example. Here it's a running matter. Here in this running matter, if you look into this one, there is no any mathematical representations. There is only there starting with the left hand, and there is no any special characters or any mathematical representations are there. Not here. So there is only double quotations there with the double quotes. Then there is only small changes in this one. What about the output? What about the latex input file? This is the latex input file. So the first we should start with the document class. Document class, it should be in the A4 paper, and font size should be 12 point. Then article it's a general command. Then next one, backslash begin and document. Then after that we have write it as this command. If you look into this one, here we don't have any character or control sequences, because it's a very simple document producing. Simple document producing means without any commands, we have also write it. Continuously we have write it. The comma and the quotes we have also included. So it's a double quote. We can put it as a double quote. We can use it in our ordinary typewriting keys. By using the typewriting keys, we can use it. Then we have continuously, and put at the end, we have a end document. So this is the input. Then if you execute or if you print this DVI file, then it can be saved in their DVI file. Then if you are execute and if you print this one, you will get output like this one. Here it's a Times New Roman. The size of the paper, on the execute only you can identify the A4 size paper. Okay. Then if you want to change the font, you can use it. If you want to change the font size, you can also change it everything. Okay. So next class we will continue on their producing for their by using their mathematical representation and everything. Okay. Thank you.